Dear Jimmy, this is dedicated to your mom. You say the price of my love's not a price that you're willing to pay. You cry in your tea when you hurl in the sea when you see me go by. Why so sad? Remember we made an arrangement when you went away. Now you're making me mad. Remember, despite our estrangement, I'm your man. You'll be back. Soon you'll see. You'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back. Time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will send a holy yarn to tell you to remind you of my love. Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom. They are love is draining and you can't go. Jimmy, I love your mom. You'll be the one I can blame when I am gone. And no, don't change the subject, 'cause I'm your favorite subject. My sweet, submissive subject, my loyal subject, forever and ever. And ever and ever and ever, you'll be back like before. I will fight the fight and win the war for your love, for your praise, and I'll love you till my dying days. When you're gone, oh, so bad, so don't throw away the thing we had. Cause when push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family and to remind you of my love. Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's mom. I love Jimmy's mom so much. Oh my God, yes. Jimmy's mom, Jimmy's